All right, YouTubers, we have another product here to check out and review. In some of my videos, if you listen in the background, you might hear my cats meow. And this company obviously heard that and decided to send me a cat tower. And what better time than right now, right before Christmas. So it'll be a gift to my cats. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. I'll build it and we'll kind of give it a review, see if it seems like a decent product. First reaction is it's pretty heavy. If I had to guess, it probably weighs 20 to 30 pounds. It was shipped via Amazon and showed up in 2 days. So let's check this out. Should be dark gray in color, I believe. And I think it sells for $68 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And it's 53 inches high, and obviously has multiple different levels. So we'll see if in the end if my cats enjoy this. Quickly we'll unbox it. Those must be all the bolts that we're going to need. And it looks like there's going to be a lot to it. My goodness. All right, that is everything that's in the box. We'll come in for a little bit closer look here. But there's actually quite a few pieces, and actually a lot of these round pieces as well. So let me get to building and we'll show you the finished product. All right, here is the finished product, and so far the cats love it. Let me show you a little closer here. I guess I should introduce the black and white cat. His name's Jack. And then down here we have Caleb. All in all, it took me about 45 minutes to put it together. Pretty simple. Only came with one tool, just an Allen wrench. The instructions are pretty good, so it was easy to follow. I didn't mess anything up, didn't have to go back or anything. So I would say for 68 bucks, as long as you got a little room in a corner, like I said, 53 inches high. It's probably 25 to 30 inches wide and same deep. Hopefully your cats will enjoy it as much as mine do. And Merry Christmas, YouTubers. We look forward to making more videos in 2024. But thanks for watching. And so far, I give this product a thumbs up.